You know what my dad told me? Here's what my dad told me. He says, Pat, you're about to start making money. This is 13 years ago, 14 years ago. I'm 27 years old, so 16 years ago. He says, you're about to start making money. He says, when you start making real money, everyone's going to call you. You have to have a basic rule when people call you for money. I said, what's that? He said, when people call you, they'll say, hey, I need to borrow $5,000. He says, never lend them $5,000 because the fastest way to lose a friend or relative.
That's right.
He said, instead, say the following. You need $5,000? You want to borrow $5,000? I can't give you $5,000. However, I can give you $300 and you never have to pay it back. So here's the, no, but I need $5,000. I totally get it. But the difference is I don't want to hurt our friendship.
Right.
So instead of me loaning you $5,000, here's $300, but never have to worry about paying it back. It's such a confusing situation because I still helped and you can't walk away upset.
Right.
And I'm still like helping out. So you kind of, it's kind of like this. It's like, okay,
Sure.
you know what I mean? You just kind of walk away.